Number 1, we asked to write the quadratic expression in the vertex form. Right, so to write the quadratic expression in the vertex form, first we must identify our A, B, and C values. Remember, in this question we are using the formula method for solving this particular question, because apart from the formula method, there are other methods that one can use to solve this, but we are using the formula method, and these are the formula that we're going to employ. So the first step is identify our A term, our B term, and our C value. So the A term will be the coefficient of x squared, which will be 3 in this case here. Our B value will be the coefficient of x, which in this case is 6. And our C value will be -2. Right, so this is where we get our A, B, and C values from. We get it from the expression itself. And again, when you're transferring a number out of the expression in order to substitute that number somewhere else, you're going to take the sign with the numbers. Like in this case, if we take the sign with -2, so 2, we're not just going to take 2, we take the sign with the 2, which is -2. And the first step is to find h. So h, the formula for h. So h equal b over 2a. So b over 2a, and in our case b is 6. So it'll be 6 over 2 by 3, which is 6. A is 3. So it'll be 6 over 6. And our answer will be 1. So therefore h is 1. Now the second formula, we're going to find what is k. So k equals, and this is the formula for finding k here. So k equals 4 by a, which is 3, by c, which is -2, minus b squared. So we're going to minus b squared, and b squared is 6 squared. You're going to put all that over 4a, 4 by 3. When we work out the numerator is 4 to the 12, 12 to the 24, so it's -24, minus 6, 6 is 36, all over 12. And again, when the sign are the same, you're going to add the number and put the whatever the sign is, we're going to put that. So 36 plus 24 will give us 60. So that's -60. Because 36 plus 24 equals 60. And when the sign are the same, you just put back the sign. So 60 divided by 12. So 60 divided by 12, and we get k to be, so therefore k equal -5. 12 into 60 is 5, and a negative divided by a positive will give us a negative answer. So, so our value for k is -5. Now remember, they asked us to put the expression, the quadratic expression, in the vertex form here, so we're going to do that now. So the first thing first step is to a. Your a value will be taken from here, which is 3. Open up your brackets, put a square above the brackets, and we're going to put x inside the bracket, and then our value for h is +1, so it'll be +1. And then we work out k to be -5, so k is -5. And again, this is how we put the quadratic expression in the vertex form here. So it is the same expression but in a different format. If we were to work out this here, if we were to work out this, so if we were to work out this expression here, which is the same as what we have here, this expression should work back to be 3x squared plus 6x minus 2. So it's just putting the expression in a different format, but the expression is essentially the same. It inherently is the same. It's just putting the expression in a different format. And this is your answer for the question here. Right, looking at question 2. A equal 3 B equal negative 12 and C equal 5. Using the formula to find for H, so H equal B, which in this case is negative 12 all over 2A, and 2A will be 2 multiplied by 3, so it's negative 12 over 6. 612 is 2, so your answer is negative 2. And looking at K now, to find K equal 4 multiplied by A, which is 3, multiplied by C, which is 5, minus negative 12 squared all over 4A, and 4A will be 4 by 3. Now that we have worked out that, so 4 3 are 12, 12 5 is 60, so that's 60 minus 12 by 12 is 144, so it's negative 144. All over 12. So 60 minus 144, that will give us negative 84. And negative 84 divided by 12 will give us 7 as the answer. So our answer is negative 7. Therefore, K is negative 7. Now we want to represent the quadratic expression in the vertex form. So A will be 3. So there's where we get the 3 from. So A is 3. Open bracket X plus H. H is negative 2 squared, and K is negative 7. So our final answer is 3x plus 3x minus 2 squared minus 7. And that's our answer there. So looking at question 3. Question 3. A equal coefficient of x squared, which is 4, B equals 8, and C equals negative 11. So to find H using the formula will be B, which is A over 2, 8 over 2 by A, 2 by 4 is 8. So it's 8 over 8. 8 over 8, and that gives us 1. So H is equal to 1. Now K equal 4 by 4 by negative 11 minus 8 squared all over 4 by 4 is 16. Now the numerator works out to be 4 4 is 16 by 11. By 4 4 is 16 by 11, that will give us negative 176 minus 8 is a 64, and 4 4 is 16. Having worked out that, we have arrived at the answer of 240. 240 divided by 16, and that gives us an answer of negative 15. So K is negative 15. Now we're going to write it in the vertex form. So to write this in the vertex form, we're going to put A on the outside, which in this case A is 4, X, and we worked out H to be positive 1, put our square above the bracket, and then we're going to put our K as being negative 15. And therefore this is the answer to question 3. Right, so looking at question 4. A, B, and C. So A is 2, the coefficient of x squared. B is negative 4, the coefficient of x, and C is a constant term 4. To find H using the formula, so H equal B, which is negative 4 over 2 by 2. So it's negative 4 all over 4. Negative 4 divided by 4 gives us an answer of negative 1. Now to find K, K will equal 4 by 2 by 4 minus negative 4 squared all over 8. Now working in numerator, 4 2 is 8, 8 4 is 32, so we get 32 minus 4 4 is 16, 16 by negative 1, 16 by negative 1 will give us negative 16 all over 8. So 32 minus 16, that gives us 16. 16 over 8, and our answer is 2. So therefore K equals 2. Now we're going to state the answer in the vertex form. So we're going to show the answer in vertex form. A, which is 2. So we know A is 2, so we put 2 on the outside. Put put x as is, and we worked out h to be -1 squared on the outside of the bracket here, and then we worked out k to be +2. So this is the answer. The answer in vertex form is 2x minus 1 square above the bracket plus 2. And that's the final answer there. Right, so question 5. So look at question 5, A, B, and C. So we already established our A, B, and C values. A is 3, B is -12, and C is 5. H, so now we're going to find H. H equal B over 2A, and B in this case is -12, all over 2 multiplied by A, which is 2 by 3. So it's -12 all over 6. 6 into 12. 6 into 12 is -2. So H is -2. Now we're going to work out K. So K equal 4 by A, which is 3. C, which is 5, negative -12 squared. All over 4A, and 4A is 4 by 3. The numerator, 4 to the 12 by 60, so the numerator is 60 minus 144 all over 12. 60 minus 144, that gives us -84 over 12. And -84 divided by 12 will give us an answer of -7. So therefore K is -7. Now we could put the expression in the vertex form. A, you're going to put A on the outside. A in this case is 3. So 3 goes on the outside. And you put your x as usual. We worked out H to be -2. So H is -2. You put the square on top of the brackets, and then K equal -7. So your answer is 3x minus 2 squared minus 7. And this is your final answer here.